So you've got the knowledge, you've heard the answers to common questions. Now let's focus on best practices to ensure your Power Commander 6 experience is smooth, safe, and rewarding. If you were to forget 90% of this course, remember this last 10%. First up, follow the manual. It sounds obvious, but reading and following the install guide and the help guide within PowerCore specific to your vehicle is crucial. Generic advice can only go so far. Your bike or other vehicle may have a unique connector or an extra step to take along the way to ensure awesome final results. Next, keep your wiring neat. Route the harness along existing runs, secure it with zip ties, and avoid hot or moving parts. Neat wiring isn't just for aesthetics, it prevents chafing or interference, and from being snagged on a tree branch if you recreate off-road. Next, back up everything. Save and send often. Before loading a new map, always save the current map from the Power Commander 6. Maintain a folder of maps with descriptive names and dates and what you've changed. If something goes wrong, you can revert quickly. And remember, PowerCore also helps with those automated backups. Next up, incremental tuning. Whether you're using auto tuning or performing manual adjustments, make small changes here and there. 2 degrees of timing, maybe 2% fuel. Big jumps can overshoot your target and cause drivability issues. Review results after each change. Use a notebook or digital logbook to track what you did, when you did it, and what the result was. Include weather conditions and fuel type you were using. Tuning is iterative. Without notes, you might repeat mistakes or forget successful tweaks or what you'd already done. Next, monitor the data. After any major tuning changes, log the data on a dyno or use a Dynojet Pod 300 accessory. Watch throttle position, RPM, AFR in real time to help catch anomalies. If you don't have access to a dyno and your machine has space for a laptop to be next to you, plugged in for logging while you ride around gently so you can log data there. And if you're brave enough to place that laptop in a backpack, run that USB cable from your device to your computer, start a log and go for a drive. Of course, don't let that computer go to sleep when you drop it in your pack. Next, use quality fuel. Tune your map for the fuel you're actually going to run. If you switch from 93 octane to E85, don't expect the same mapping to work. Ethanol, race fuel, and pump gas have different stoichiometric ratios and performance characteristics, which can lead to damage if they're not mapped for. Next, respect engine health. Tuning can't compensate for warm rings, leaky valves, bad coil, or bad maintenance. So change your spark plugs, clean and replace filters, check valve clearances before starting tuning. A healthy engine is always a stable platform to work from. Next up, seek expertise. Don't hesitate to call Dynojet or consult a professional tuner when you hit a roadblock. Online forums and communities are great resources, but make sure advice comes from reputable sources. A dyno session with an experienced tuner often pays dividends. By following these best practices, you'll minimize headaches and maximize the benefits of your Power Commander 6. Good habits turn a complex task into an enjoyable and rewarding experience.